Drone delivery route. A drone starts from point 0, 0 and delivers a package at 8, 6. Find the straight line distance traveled by the drone. See here, the drone started from a point which is 0, 0 origin and delivers a package at 8, 6 and delivers at 8, 6. So find the distance. So I'll consider the point where it delivers is P 8, 6. So I need to find OP distance. So here I'll consider this as like, see, if one point is origin and the other point is x, y, then distance between origin and point is under root x square plus y square. So directly you can use this formula. So here OP distance is under root, so this is x, this is y. So under root 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square is 64. 6 square is 36. So root 100. Root 100 is 10 units. 10 units. The distance between 0, 0 and the drone where it delivers is 8, 6. So if one point is origin, you can use this formula under root x square plus y square. So here the distance between the drone started from 0, 0 and it delivers at 8, 6. So the distance between these 2 points is 10 units.